How's it, guys? This is DSK. I'm here to make a video. This video is a video about unboxing a hard drive. Purchase a hard drive, 4 terabyte hard drive. My brand is Rich Future. It's based on focusing on a future, empowering yourself, making sure that you wanna plan ahead to have success. Rich Future is based on making sure that you want to be successful in everything that you do. So this is a clothing brand. It's my brand. Right now I've purchased this hard drive, storage 4 terabyte. It's a Transcend. It's portable. From the latest, I've found it online. I've been looking for this thing for more than a year now, and I think we're gonna have a lot of fun together with this hard drive. So why do I need it? Because I'm gonna be making photos for my brand photo shoot. Wanna have a backup on the hard drive, external hard drive, which is portable. I'm also gonna be making videos for YouTube like this one, where they're gonna be educational. So in order for me to have more storage and to free the space from my laptop, because there's my laptop, I want to free some space on the laptop. So I want to make sure that when I'm working direct from my laptop, and I don't have anything that's gonna be holding me back. So as I'm here, I'm just showing you what you're gonna be doing. I'm gonna be unboxing this 4 terabyte storage hard drive, so pay some attention. Now I've taken it out of the box. You can see this one is an anti-shock, 3-stage anti-shock, drop tested. I really need this one because when I'm going outdoors for photo shoots, I wanna have it handy next to me. So if I have to make longer videos, I wanna take as many photos as I want, I'm gonna be using it. So I'm also gonna be looking for a portable charger, power bank for my cell phone, so that I can have a good backup for power when I'm outdoors doing photo shoots for my clothing brand. So this is the transparent casing. You can just remove it. You need a backup, even if you have to lose your PC or your laptop or whatever device you're using, even your cell phones. It's quite handy. This is what is in the box. This is the hard drive. So I'll advise anyone out there in South Africa, in KwaZulu-Natal, in Durban, in KZN, in wherever you are in the world, you need a hard drive, especially if you're using computers. There are a lot of learners out there who are studying via online. I also have some courses that I'm doing here in South Africa. Mining engineering, I'm studying online with UNISA. So I do have a lot of good material that I have for the course. So I'm gonna be saving it here. Even some other work material, I'm gonna be being able to save it on this hard drive. It's quite small. You can see it can fit at the palm of my hand. So it's not so big. That's what I like about it. So it can fit even in a pocket. If you're one of those guys with some big pockets, it can fit in your pocket. And it's durable, it's strong. The color is purple. It feels good. It's rugged. Yeah, it's gonna last. I hope it's gonna do a very good job. I'm gonna give it a name sooner or later, and I'm still gonna put a sticker here for Rich Future. Hey, it has to be branded. It's mine. So you need to know that when you touch this, you're touching me. So I think I'm in love with this hard drive. I think it is powered by this cable. This is the only cable it's gonna come with. It doesn't need an external power supply like the backup one. So just one cable, small cable. So it's neat and tidy. So that's just the installation guide and how to use it. So I'm gonna be going through this later, but I don't think there's a lot to learn from here because it's plug and play. It's just plug and play. So, but for backup purposes, because this is a backup I'm buying, so for the backup of knowledge, might be going through this, reading, getting some extras if there's anything that's gonna be offered by this pamphlet. I don't know, but You can see the pamphlet. You can go back there. Over here, got another nice pamphlet with the flash drive. This is some marketing showing us other stuff they got, which is on the shelf, which can be purchased. So for now, this can go back. So that's another DRAM modules that they offer for more computer savvy guys. I'm not so computer savvy, I just use the basics, but you need more storage. I won't lie, you need more storage. Even if you've got videos on YouTube, you need to back up those videos, because should anything go wrong, you need to have some backup. So this is what we have here. So I'm going to be plugging it on the PC, on my laptop, and see how it's going to go. So guys, this is it. Just unboxed it, and we're going to take it to the future. We're going to create a rich future with this hard drive. And if I manage to fill it up as soon as possible, I'll be purchasing another one. You cannot have enough backup, you see. One guy told me, I was watching videos online on YouTube, and he said, if you have material that you're working on, and that material is valuable to you, how much will you pay if you had to lose that material overnight? If something had to happen to all your resources, or your laptop, or all your storage, all your memory, all your space, all your data, if you had to lose it, and there was someone who was gonna, at the click of a button, restore all that information for you, how much will you pay that person just to recover that amount of information that you have lost? And I learned a valuable lesson, and they said, if there is a way to avoid that situation happening where you have to lose your memory, your storage, they usually say prevention is better than cure. So I'll advise anyone to invest money on a hard drive, because if that situation had to occur, you need to be well prepared ahead of time, so that you can back up your material. You can recover it as soon as possible, because you might be needing some contact, some videos, some pictures, some files, a lot of material you've created over years. It even become part of your legacy for your kids. They can work on it, they can build on it. So if you had to lose it and someone were to charge you an amount, you might even pay $1 million, who knows. If someone was to say, okay, give me $1 million rand or $1 million, I'll recover all your information within a day or within an hour. If you have so much money, I'm sure you'll be willing to pay that money, because now we're living at the fourth industrial revolution. Everything is online, so we're communicating online, we're having lessons online, some people are working from home, so you need to have some very good secure backup. So in short, I'll just advise anyone to have a very secure backup. So invest some money on your backup. Please guys, invest on a backup, on a very good backup. So that's what I'm saying for now. Just put some money on it and invest on a backup. That's it. Enough has been said about the hard drive, 4TB Transcend. I think it's USB 3.1. Now this is the golden moment, the moment of truth. So I'm gonna be connecting it to my laptop, my EliteBook, so that I can see the real magic taking place. So one of the reasons that made me to purchase this, I'll be showing you via my laptop screen. I'll take off the flash so that you can see on the screen my storage. So if you look very careful, you can see that my storage, I've got 53.3 gigabytes free of 462. So what's actually happening now is that I'll be able to remove all the space into my hard drive. So that's the first thing I want to do. That's priority number one, to free up as much space as I can from my laptop into the hard drive to have a backup, because this is my local C drive. It's 53.3 gigs free. My local disk D, it's very small space, but if you look on the hard drive, it's not exactly 4 terabytes, but it's 3.63. But I think that's some good storage. That's some good storage, because from my laptop, I think it's almost 8 times the storage on my laptop, because if you say like 462 times 2, that's gonna give me almost 1 terabyte. So 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, 3 terabyte, that's like 6 times, and 3.6, it's almost 6 or 7 or 8 times space that I've purchased. I can be able to extend my storage now. I can be able to work some more and do some better projects and be able to move forward and achieve better things that I haven't been able to do in the past. So that's my brand. You can check my page on Facebook. I've got a page on Facebook, Rich Future. There's another one, Rich Future by DSK. On Instagram, it's Rich Future by DSK. On YouTube, Rich Future by DSK. Even on Twitter, you'll find my account. So guys, I encourage you to invest on some good material, on some good technology, good backup for your device. So let me go through and see what this hard drive can offer. Yeah, this hard drives better offer some good space. I don't know, increase some lights. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that's just a recovery folder. There are 2 folders. There's a recovery folder here, and if you go back in this folder, there's a Transcend Elite. So I think now I'm ready to go to back up my material. So guys, like I said before, I'll encourage anyone invest in backup, invest in your storage. You don't want to lose any of your information, you don't want to lose any of your data. You don't want to have someone drop your computer, drop your phone, lose your phone without a backup. Sometimes you can go for months or years with one phone. Even my phone, it comes with a 128 gigabyte storage. I've purchased SD card, micro SD card, which extended the space to 256. So it's a SD card which is offering me 256 storage. So on my phone I got 256 gigabytes of storage just for SD card, micro SD card. But the phone comes with internal memory of 128 gigs. So I use a lot of space because with this phone that I'm using, it's just a high quality phone, so it gives me high quality pictures, high quality videos. So if you want to keep on making more videos, taking pictures, going online, downloading files, doing this, doing that, you need some good storage so that your phone doesn't slow down the capacity of working. Because when the memory gets full, now it starts to slow down the phone and it freezes, same thing as on the laptop. So the space is vital on your device. You need to have some good space. So this is not a paid video, this is not a sponsored video in anyhow. I'm just Tumisani, DSK, Shady. You can call me Rich Future if you like. I'm in South Africa, I'm in KZN, I'm in Durban. So some people, they call it a Tewini. So I'm just advising us guys, other guys like me who just want to have some content on YouTube, who want to have a good YouTube channel. There are other social medias as well, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. If you want to have high quality material, you need to have a good storage for that material. I cannot stress that point. Thank you for watching this video. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be very happy that you subscribe to my channel. You can also look at other videos I've posted. I'm going to be posting some more videos, but the most important thing is that we need to be focusing on building a better future, a richer future, a successful future. We need to be financially independent. At the times of COVID-19, at the times of a fourth wave in South Africa, the day today is the 12th of August 2021. So we don't know what the future holds for us, but we need to be prepared for whatever that's coming. We need to be prepared for it. We can't be relaxed and sit and wait and say, hey, maybe the future, somebody's going to plan a better future for us. No, we're going to take the initiative to plan and work hard and have a better future. So you've got to have your good devices. You've got to invest on some good equipment a good laptop with a very good processor as well, you see. So that's my laptop. Can work on it day and night. It's one of the best machine I got. So you need some best equipment to produce the best result, high quality material. That's it for now. Thanks a lot, guys. Like my channel and subscribe, comment on the video down below. Thanks a lot. I appreciate everything you've done for me. Much love from Rich Future by DSK. This brand came in 2020. Bye, guys, for now. Thank you a lot. Cheers.
Hi guys, like I said earlier on that I'll be backing up my information. So now I've went to control panel under system and security. So I've looked for method to create a backup. So I've connected my hard drive. There's my hard drive, you can see it. There's my hard drive is connected. Just gonna be keeping here for a while because I'm gonna be working on other things. So in the meantime, my hard drive is gonna be collecting some information from my laptop direct. So I'm gonna keep it. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but as you can see, it's saying file history is saving copies of your file for the first time. So I'm not gonna stop it. I'm just gonna keep it going like this. It's the first time I'm doing this, so I'll just wait up until it's give me a notification that my files have been saved or something. I don't know. That's how it's gonna go down. So as I'm saying, the best thing to do is to back up. Have a backup of your information. Keep a backup, and a good backup, a reliable backup. Okay, yeah. So that's just a reminder to everyone that you need to keep a backup. Don't hesitate, because you'll never know. A fault, an electrical connection might cause your laptop to ruin your files. You see, a lot of things can happen that can affect your storage. You see, so there are some backup options. The control panel, you see, I've went through these options but until I found the one that was suitable. So under more options, so I went there. So I went to control panel. That's where I started. So those are my files. You see, everything is there. So then I just went to storage, and the storage, that's where I went from storage. Then scroll down from here, view storage, another drive, change, manage storage, view backup options. So I went to the point I say view backup options, and that's where I got. So here it said turn on backup files, automatically backup your files. Then you look for go to backup and restore Windows 7. You created a older backup, but now I never went for that one, so I went for more options. So when I went for more options, my computer just scrolled and it gave me this menu. So on this menu, like I showed you earlier, saving backup, total space on Transcend, at it, backing up your data. Now let's say backup now. So I think that's what I need to do. Click backup now to start. The data is not yet ready backed up, so I think it's gonna take a long time. So I'm gonna work on it and fill it and see how it's gonna go, but I know it's gonna work out in the end when I have my data backed up. So that's what's more important. As you can see, it's saying backing up your data. So I'm gonna leave it like this. If it takes overnight, it might take overnight, I don't know, because I'm backing up almost 400 gigs of storage, so it might take a very long time. So guys, I encourage you to back up your information. Back up your information. It's the right thing to do, and back it up as soon as possible. Don't wait for tragedy to strike. Support Rich Future by DSK. Subscribe, like the video, can comment. Thank you.